In this class, we want to simulate the LED blinking code that we just written. So right click on this Proteus 8 Professional, run as administrator, click on yes. We want to create a new project. Click on new project, then you rename it as LED blinking. Then you now browse for the folder that we created on our desktop. I name it embedded class, right? So double click on it. So I now want to save this simulation in class simulation. So double click on it. Now here you need to create a folder for each classes of your simulation in the folder of class simulation. So I want to create a new folder, then click on folder, you name it LED blinking. Now just select the folder, click select, so you can so you now click on next, finish. Okay, now so we want to pick our microcontroller. The microcontroller we're making use of is Arduino Uno. So click on this pick device, just click on Arduino. So click on Arduino Uno. So any component you pick on this Proteus is going to preview the components here. So this is what we need. Just click on OK. And now the component, the Arduino Uno, is at the tip of this pen, but it is hidden. You need to left click to preview it. So once you left click once, you left click it again to drop it. So it has dropped. So now I want to zoom in so that it's going to be more clearer. So now I need a resistor. So just type RES. So now this RES resist device. So click on it and click on OK. So now it's at the tip of this pen as well. So right click, then right click again to drop it. Don't forget that the code we wrote, we attach our LED pin to pin 10, right? So now the IO pin 10, attach it to the resistor. Now we need a LED that we want to on. So just type LED here, LED. So it's going to bring out different LED. But the LED we want to make use of here, just you have to pick an active. Make sure it is active, not analog. So let me pick yellow, for example. This is LED yellow. So click on OK, then right click to drop it here, then right click again. So I want to connect. So just bring this pencil, bring it to the tip of this resistor, then left click, drag it. Now I want to make a bend here, so I can left click here so that the trace is going to bend, then left click again to connect it to the LED. So I want to connect this side to a ground. So you come to this terminal mode, pick ground. So left click, drop it, then now connect it to the LED. Now if you want this pencil to go, just come and click this select mode here. It's going to drop it. So now I want to change the value of this resistor because this 10K is too much. So double click on this resistor. Is going to bring the edit component. So I want this resistor to be maybe 220 ohms. So just type 220 and click on OK. If I want to drag this circuit to any place I want to drag it to, just come to this edge here, left click here, then you can drag the component to anywhere you feel like dragging it to, then you drop it. Go back to your code. Once you compile your code, it's going to bring out all this. What we need here is we want the X file of this code. Drag this to where you can see this X file. So this is the X file. You can see .ex file. So now copy this X file from this C. Left click on it and drag .x. Then you now copy, Ctrl C. Then go back to that simulation. Now double click on this, so it's going to bring this edit component. Then what we just copied, you now paste it here. Just Ctrl V. Then you now click on OK. You can now click on outside of this, so that's going to drop the highlight. We have succeeded in uploading the code that we wrote on our Arduino IDE. We want to run it, so just come and click on run. Okay, you can see this LED is going to on for 1 second and is going to off for 500 milliseconds, which is half a second. So you can see. So if you want to alter anything on this Proteus, you need to stop. This is stop. You need to stop before you can alter anything. Now I want to change this resistor back. I want to change it to that 10k that we have before, so that we can see if it's going to work on. You can see the LED is not coming on, but here is indicating that it's on. It's indicating that it's working. This is it shows red, blue. So this simply means that the value of this resistor is too much for this LED to on. So that is why we need to give it a smaller value. So stop it and edit it back. So we use 220. So play. So you can see I want to alter something in the code. Let me put this one to be 1000 as well, which is 1 second as well. So what you just need to do is just compile. So it has done compiling. Come back to the simulation and click on play. The beauty of this is that you don't need to upload that code again. Automatically, once you compile there, automatically it's going to reflect on the microcontroller. So yours is just to compile. You don't need to come and upload the code again. So you can see the LED on for 1 second, off for another 1 second. So try this and let's see what you've done. Thank you. Bye for now.